Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and I'm on board Sea Ray's 2019 250 Sun Deck Outboard. I thought about pulling my phone out and acting like teenagers love to act on this boat, but let's be honest. If your family gets this boat for Christmas and it is December in sunny South Florida, you are going to have some of the happiest kids on the planet, and it doesn't matter if they're 8 or 18, they are going to be over the moon. And frankly, that's what Sea Ray sport boats are all about. This is family. This is family right here. We all know kids are rambunctious, so they hide the cup holders. They just get them out of the way. Of course, we know people love to jump off the swim platform or just hang out back there in general. So you know what they do? They make it so the whole back of the boat can convert. Yeah, it's filthy right now. I apologize. It's been raining here, oddly enough. You have cell phone chargers, you have storage, you have a dance floor. It's huge. This is the sandbar incarnate. I mean, you've got room to put a whole cooler back here and still stand 4 people back here. Of course, the lounger flips back and forth. You've got cup holders there. You've got space for a 6-foot person to sit there and lounge and relax. This is the back of Sea Ray's 250 Sun Deck. This is why they built this thing. It's just awesome for the family. You've got their infinity vinyl flooring, incredibly comfortable to walk on. Take some of the soreness out of the day if you've been out all day, 8 hours. All the seats here convert. That seat, the co-captain seat, the captain seat, you've got bolsters that come up and down. I mean, this boat just is designed to be comfortable. They put a Simrad in-dash GPS unit, gives you all your engine data on screen. You actually have an incredible stereo from Fusion, speakers throughout. We all know everyone wants the tunes bumping when you're on the water. Bathrooms. You always say you need them. You always throw the boat covers in there. Well, a 250 Sun Deck has a bathroom big enough to store about 25 bags and still be able to use the bathroom. It is huge. And the reason they designed it like that is because sometimes you have younger children or someone who just wants to get out of the sun. You actually can put a pad in there and there's room for them to lay down. Of course, bimini top keeps the rest of the family out of the sun while they're hanging out. But if you want to be in the sun, it is a sun deck after all. This is the bow. The bow on this boat is just incredible. More cup holders, a spot for a table, wraparound seating for everybody, Fusion audio. Guys, this is the family boat incarnate. It'll ski, it'll put 14 people on it. It runs incredibly well, and it's a Sea Ray. The name is the best name that you can get out on the water. I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. This is our 2019 250 Sea Ray Sun Deck Outboard. If you want a sea trial or you just want to ask a few more questions, give us a call. We'll see you soon.